just bite my tongue and listen as the last note fades away. That bell can be unrung. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is a song that was requested. This is called Unrung, and I had never heard it before, so I'm really grateful for the request. If you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments. Please hit like and subscribe so you'll get notified when I come out with new tutorials, and let me know if you have questions or other songs you want to learn in the comments. So this song is pretty dang easy. It's got a pretty easy strumming. The chords are nothing crazy. It's in standard tuning and you don't need a capo. So I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to play and the chord progressions. I'm going to show you where you play them, and it's a little bit different. So that the verses are different in the chord progressions from the choruses, and then there's a part after the choruses that's a little bit different as well. So make sure you stick with me throughout the video. Okay. So the way that the song starts is with G. I use this G because it's easier to go from this G, because you're going to do E minor next, and I just do that right there. But if you do it, maybe you do this and then you do E minor that way. Whatever you do, like, just do it, okay? I want this to be easier for you guys. So I do it this way: G, E minor, G, E minor, and this is the intro. And then you're going to do A minor. He does some picking part. I'm not going to show you that. I'm just going to show you the chords right now. But he does A minor, C. Okay, so the way that's strummed is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, and then you're gonna go to A minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. So the strumming part, that's the strumming for the intro. Then when you go to the first verse, you're going to do something similar. So you're going to do G, E minor for all of it except for the tail end of it. Okay, so you're going to do G, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're doing, well, I can tell you she's a bad idea for the good I would do. So you're doing, well, I is G. Well, I can tell. So tell is E minor. Tell you she's a bad is G. Bad idea. Idea is E minor. Dia. And you go to G. For the good. Good is E minor. Good it would do. And do is G. Do. All right. So and then you do E minor. E minor. You got. So got is G. Got a Chevrolet is old. So Chevrolet is E minor. And then old is G, as old as her. So her is E minor, her. And then you go to G, right? Now you bought it new. So bought is E minor, and then new is G. Okay, so G, E minor, okay? And then you're gonna go to A minor here. This is where you switch it. Oh. So what I like to do here, so it's A minor and then C. Oh, so I like to really like strum it slowly like that. Oh, so just when you're doing the first strum on each chord here. So on A minor, oh, just like that. Oh, like that. Okay. So the way it would actually look is, oh, and then you do nice to meet you, ma'am. Then you do G, E minor, G, E minor. And then you're just going to go into that next verse, the second part of like the first verse, okay? You can do the exact same thing. So the parts when you do the A minor C is on the O. Oh, she's something, right? And then you do G, E minor, G. And then when you go on this G, then you're going to go right into the chorus here, okay? So you're going to go, there's 1,000, so you do 1,000 is A minor, 1,000 things that I could say. All right, so you can either kind of hit it, and then do up down. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Or you can kind of like do that softer strum like that. There's 1,000 things that I could say, but I just bite my tongue. Okay, see, so the chord progression is different in the chorus. And the strumming is a tad different. So you're gonna do, there's a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, that's the strumming for the chorus. Now the chord progression is, there's 1,000, so 1,000 is A minor, 1,000 things that I could say. So I is E minor, I could say, but and then I is A minor, I just bite my tongue, and tongue is C minor. So you're gonna do a power chord starting on the 3rd fret on the A string. All right, ring finger goes on the 5th fret on the D string, pinky goes on the 5th fret on the G string, and then you put your middle finger on the 4th fret on the B string. If you can bar on the 3rd fret, great. If not, don't sweat it too much. It won't make it sound that different, but it does sound better if you bar it. So the C minor on tongue, and then you do and listen. And listen is A minor, and listen as the last note fades. So fades, you do C. And one tip, if that C minor is really hard for you, you can just do C. It's not gonna sound quite as good, but it will sound good. So you do fades away that bell, and then here you're gonna switch chords a lot. You're gonna do that bell is A minor, bell can't be, B is C, B unrung, and then rung is G. And then you're just gonna go back like you do the verses. So you're gonna do G, E minor, G, E minor. Okay, so you do G, E minor, G, E minor, and then you're gonna go into this next verse. Now here's where it's different. This is like an in-between chorus kind of thing. So you're gonna do C, he's a hero of mine, you know, honey. So you're just doing C for that first line. He's a hero of mine, you know, honey. And then you do G, they don't make him like that no more. And then you do C, he's a hero of mine, you know, honey. And then you do G, E minor, G, E minor. So it's C, and then you stretch it out for a long time, G, E minor, G, E minor. C, G, E minor, G, E minor, okay? And then you're gonna do that chorus one more time, actually, just like you did before. Now, after that chorus, and again, this is why I'm saying like stick with me, is because then you're gonna do A minor, E minor. So you're basically doing the chorus again, but with no lyrics. So you're gonna do the A minor, E minor, A minor, C minor, A minor, C, and then you do A minor, C, G, and then stay on G, and then you're gonna go into, well, I could tell you she's a bad idea. Okay, and you're just gonna go in and do that same chorus, same verse again, okay? And that's how you play the song. Now the way I would end it is you're gonna do, oh, so that same thing that you did before, A minor, C, oh, C, and then just do a G chord. Anyway, that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.